I got lucky on this. I closed the door and it's good. Actually, there's just a slight play in it now, isn't there? Just a slight bit, but I wanted to make sure it was in there because it was hanging up on this and I wasn't quite sure, which meant that maybe the latch wasn't depressed all the way. And could I leave it like that? Yeah, I probably could, but I'm gonna do a little bit more for you on this particular video, and I can show you how to adjust that, because remember, that's the one that has the tab in there. The other ones had a little slot on there. I could take in the screwdriver, put in there, and bend that tab. This one doesn't. So I know I told you what to do. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. This is all because this didn't have a strike plate. Okay, now, let's see if I can show you. I've got to get back here so I can see what I'm doing. I can show you what I'm doing on here. Get my pliers out. Okay. See, this tab doesn't have that little goodie on the side for my screwdriver, does it? So I've got to take that tab and bend it out. So I'm going to put it in my hands like this. Got it on the pliers. I'm going to hold this and then I'm going to tweak it just a bit. Okay. I did it just a little bit. That's all I need to do. I'm hoping I did it enough, but I'm not going to know until I reinstall it, right? And then I got to reinstall this. Put this back in there.
I just stepped into your picture.
Hey. Oh, she's back from the store. Now I can hand tighten this. Okay, that. And I can gonna hold this up here. Close the door. Yeah, that's a lot better. If anything, I can do just a hair more. Okay, so I'm gonna, or I could leave it. It's all up to you. All up to you. I'm going to decide to take it out. Pliers again. Like that right there. Let's see here. See how much I turned it already? See? I can take that and just tweak on it a little. Just a little. There. I felt it go a little. I don't want to do it too much, because then the door's not going to close. Right? Then I've got to take it off and bend it back the other way. Tighten it by hand. And I see that that top one is just has slight give. That it's not 100% tight. See there? Perfect. That's good. I like that. That's going to be fine. And I'm going to call that door good. Well, there you have it. I spent quite a bit of time on there, didn't I? Put a new strike plate on there, adjusted the strike plate, reamed the strike plate out. I had to lower the door down a little bit. I took those hinges off, put long screws in there on both of these two hinges to push the door over. I still have to put a longer screw in there. Mommy just got back from the hardware store. I'm hoping she's got some longer screws so I can finish that up. Okay. All the different things, all that stuff I did on this door, but you know what? By the time, when I get done with this door, and I'm almost done, other than putting those two screws in, But I have to, in order to do that, I have to pull that out, drill it. And in order to do that one, see, I can't get my drill in there without hitting the edge of the door, can I? Because I got to put my drill in there at a nice angle. So what do you suppose I'm going to have to do next, my next video? And I could do it on this door. I'm going to have to pop the hinges off this door. And it's an 8-foot tall door, so I got 4 hinges. I got to pop that off, take the door down, so that I can get in there and attach those properly. And that's going to be on a separate video, okay? On how to put those extra screws in and for the reasons why, okay? Well, that's it from here. Good luck with your door project. I know you can do it. Stick with it. And the key is to make it look like you were never there when you get done.